Hi children, meet again. Last few lesson we did on binary numbers. Now today we go to a new lesson that is called removal of brackets. Now removal of brackets is also very important because uh, it comes in almost every topic, brackets. So we must know exactly how to proceed with it. So we will take some examples as it is. So this removal of brackets we have done in year 8 and year 7. So just a little revision how to do. So look at this example. 3 bracket a minus 1. Now here this is the bracket. So inside the bracket we have two numbers, that is a and 1. So both these a and 1 belongs to 3. So and bracket means multiplication. We have to multiply by 3. So 3 times a is 3a, then this minus 3 into 1, 3. So this is the answer for this. Bracket means multiplication, you have to remember that. We will take another one. Minus 2x. Minus 2x bracket 3 minus 2y. So here inside the bracket 3 is there and minus 2y there. You must always remember that when you write a number minus 2y, then the sign for this 2y is minus. The sign is always written in front. Many children are confused where it is written, but it is always the sign is front. If we write the number 8, there is the sign plus there, but plus we don't write at the beginning. So the sign is always in front. So what is the sign for 2y? It is minus. But what is the sign for 3? Plus. So we don't write the plus. So we multiply here. That is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 minus 6x. 2 into 3 minus 6x. Then again minus into minus it becomes plus. Plus. We studied this in year 8. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4, x into y, xy. So the answer here is plus 4. Look how many we have to multiply. First of all, we have to multiply the signs. How do you multiply the signs? We know that it is plus and minus. Plus when you multiply it becomes a plus. Minus and minus when you multiply it becomes a plus. Plus and minus when you multiply it becomes minus. Minus and plus when you multiply it becomes a minus. So there is a rule. When multiplied, same signs, when multiplied becomes plus. Different signs, when multiplied becomes minus. Different signs when minus. Same sign when multiplying. So this rule is there. If you want, you can write it down in your formula books. Same signs when you multiply. There is plus and plus, same signs with plus. And minus, same signs. When you multiply becomes plus. Different signs, when you multiply it becomes minus. Different signs, minus. So this rule you can write in a formula book and keep. So we will take another one. P plus 2q. Look at this. Minus 7a into p plus 2q. So here we multiply minus 7a into p. Minus 7ap. Then minus into plus minus. Different sign minus. Minus into minus plus. Then 7 into 14 aq. Look. Minus 7 into a into minus 7a into p. Minus 7ap. Minus into plus minus. 7 into 14 a into q a. So three things you have to multiply here. The signs first. Minus into plus minus. 7 into 2, 14. A into Q, A. We'll take another example. 3x plus 2 into P minus 5. Look at this. Now in this particular case, children, now this 3x has nothing to do with the brackets. Many children make that mistake. They multiply this 3 all the way with this. This 3x is completely out. So we just write down 3x. Next step will be 3x. The 2 only belongs to this bracket. So we have to multiply these two terms by 2. So plus 2 into p, 2p. Then plus into minus, minus 2 into 5, 10. Look at this. So 3x is just there. then 2 into p, 2p plus into minus, minus 2 into 5, 10. We'll take one more, another example. 5x minus 3 bracket 2 plus 5x. So here again, like in the earlier one, this 5x has nothing to do with the bracket. 5x has nothing to do with the bracket. 5x is separate. We just write down 5x. Then minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus into plus, minus. 3 into 5, 15. And x. So look, three things you have to multiply. Minus into plus, minus. 3 into 5, 15. Then here nothing x. So 3 into 5, minus 15x. So now can you see here, you are getting like terms. 5x and minus 15x. So many children would like to write it like this. 5x minus 15x minus 6. This x's together. So when you write it together, for some children it becomes easy. So now here plus 5x minus 15x. Minus is more. In positive and negative numbers you have studied. When minus is more, the answer will be minus. So 5 minus 15 is minus 10. So that is equal to minus 10x. Minus 10x minus 6. We'll take another example. 2x minus x minus 5. Now here, as I told you before, 2x has nothing to do with x minus 5. But then what is the number here? Many children got confused about the number here. There is no number here written. But if there is no number here, we have to take it as 1 here. There is 1 there. So we have to multiply by 1. So how does it come? 2x here, minus x, minus into plus, minus 5, plus 5. So 2x, minus into x, minus and minus, plus 1 into 5, 5. So three things you have to multiply here. Minus into minus, plus 1 into 5, 5. So 2x minus x plus 5. So now here 2x minus x is 1x. That is equal to x plus 5. So many children write 1x, but it is not wrong, but normally we don't write 1x, we write as x plus 5. We'll take another example. Look at this. Here this is one bracket, here this is bracket, another bracket. The number for this bracket is 6. The number for this bracket is 2. So these two are separate brackets. So we are remove this with 6. So 6 into x, 6x, and plus 6 into 2, 12y. All plus pin, no problem. So then minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 into y, 2y. Look again. This bracket we have to multiply by 6. 6 into x, 6x. 6 into 2, 12y. This has nothing to do with this bracket. This bracket separately and only 2 is belonging to this bracket. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 into y, 2y. Now can you see here, we separate this. 6x minus 2x plus 12y minus 2y. So 6x minus 2x is 4x. 12x minus 2y is 10y plus 10y. So the answer is 4x plus 10y. Last example we'll take for the day. Right. Now, as in the earlier example, this bracket is separate, this bracket is separate. For this bracket, minus 2 is the number. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus into plus, minus 2 into y, 10. So this bracket is over. Now we go to this bracket. Plus 3 into plus 3, plus 9x. Plus into minus, minus 3 into 7, 21. So you have to do it carefully in a methodical way. Then you won't make a mistake. Now here this 2x and 2x, as some children like, they would like it separately. So we have x's, we have numbers. So minus 2x plus 9x. So plus is more. How much more? 7. So the answer is plus 7x. And here both minus and minus. So a lot of children make mistake over this because this is simplification, not multiplication, simplifying. So minus and minus, when you add, it has to be all together. So minus 10 and minus 31. So minus 10 minus 20 minus 31. So this is the answer for the children. So it is better for you to know there are 8 rules. Now plus 8 plus 2 equals plus 10. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Minus 3 plus 7 equals plus 4. Minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 1. Then minus 7 minus 10 minus 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then 8 minus 8 equals 0. Yes, look at this. When you add 8 plus 2, it is 10. So minus 3 and minus 5 is minus 8 altogether. Then minus 3 plus 7, the plus is more. So how much more? 4. Here minus 2 plus 1, minus is more. How much more? 1. So minus 1. Here plus and minus is more. How much? By 3. Minus 3. Here plus is more. How much? By 3. So plus 3. And 8 plus 8 minus 8, 0. So these rules, if you write down, you'll be able to understand positive and negative numbers better. This is all for today, children. I hope you understood the lesson, and please subscribe.